Hello, I'm going to show how to use task-centric assessments developed by Radix Learning to practice and develop competencies in computer programming using C. The first step is to log into the system. I have already entered the login credentials and I'm going to log in now. Once we log in, we need to click on Practice Center and select an appropriate course. We will select Computer Programming using C. We can now see practice sets that are available to practice. Let us select Practice Set ID 146, Determine Output in C Demo. Now we can see several tasks listed here for practicing. I will click on the fourth task and the problem gets loaded. Once the problem gets loaded, we will see the problem description. The problem description here states that a C program is provided to you in the following screen. You are required to state what would be the output by the program when it is executed. Now we will start the task by clicking on the Start Task. We now can see a screen which displays three sections: the task description section, the program section, and the output section. The task description explains what is required to be done by the user. A complete C program is displayed in the C program section of the screen. Read the C program carefully and understand the task that it performs. Having understood the C program, we now enter the output of this program. Please notice that we have typed a new line character after B. We do so because the program explicitly mentions a new line character. After entering the output, we click on Submit. The solution gets evaluated immediately and we get a report. We can see the marks I have scored when we scroll down. I have scored 5 marks, which is also the maximum marks for the problem. In this manner, you can practice, determine output in C, get your solution evaluated immediately, get the feedback of your performance through the report, and hence develop competencies in C programming. Thank you.